Hello guys, welcome to Creative Projects. Today I am going to show you how to add slow motion effect in a video. So here's my video in which I want to add a slow motion effect. First of all, separate the part of the video on which you want to apply the slow motion. Right-click on this layer, go to the time, and time stretch. The normal speed of the video is 100%. For slow motion, increase this value from 100%, and for fast motion decrease this value from 100%. Here I am going to increase this value for slow motion. The more you increase this value, the more video will be slow. So I want to set it on 1000%, press OK. The length of this video is increase after applying slow motion. As you can see, the result of slow motion is very bad. But don't worry, I am going to fix it. Right-click on this layer and click on Frame Blending, select Pixel Motion. Now you can see the slow motion is smooth and perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy this video, then like the video and subscribe my channel for short, quick and easy tutorials.